January 15th in the 4000 block of Fuqua, former Belden's and former grocery store. And this, I'm back here at the Kentucky Fried Chicken, the new Kentucky Fried Chicken on that was moved from Fuqua and Herm Clark. I'm going to go to the Shipley's. I hope it's open this time. Zoom in the 4000 block of Fuqua, 100 block, 4000 in floor, Fuqua. Here we are at 4412 Fuqua, and it's open.
Hello.
Good afternoon or good morning. Yes, I'd like to have a dozen iced donuts, please.
What type of icing, sir?
Let me add the mixed donuts, please.
Do you know? Five, $16.35.
Okay, said 16. Okay, I'm gonna give you. This is just 2705.
Okay.
Can you say 2705 out of 1635?
27.5.
The change would be
10.70.
there you go.
Thank you very much.
Muchas gracias.
Have a great day, sir.
Thank you.